Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. This one's covering infant mortality birth cohort tables in England and Wales. We've got 17 tables, 62,000 rows, data going back to 2015. So let's have a look at a couple of those tables. Let's see. Ethnicity cause groups. In the metadata, you have links to all of the sources, the URLs, and everything you need to understand this data, by the way. But you get an idea looking at those columns. If I look at another one, ethnic group, gestation age. You see the category, gestational age, measure, values, and so on. So as I say, 17 tables. Follow the link in the description below, and you can have a play with that and the other thousands and thousands of tables. Thanks.